half the price. Once, there lived a wise old fisherman in a town near the Arabian Sea. He had a daughter, but he did not have enough money for his daughter's marriage. The fisherman wanted to visit the Raja to ask for his help to get his daughter married. His friends advised him to meet the king, so he caught a very big fish and went to the king's palace. Hard word and its meaning. Advise, having the benefit or careful prior consideration or counsel. But the gatekeeper stopped him. He did not let the fisherman in. He asked the fisherman to give him the half price the king would give him. The fisherman wanted to teach a lesson to the gatekeeper. The fisherman agreed and went in. He presented the big fish to the king. The king felt very happy and asked the fisherman to ask something in return. The fisherman asked for 200 lashes. The Raja surprised at the strange request of the fisherman. So he told him to ask him for something else. But the fisherman wished for only 200 lashes. So the king ordered his men to give the fisherman what he wanted. Then the fisherman requested the king to call his gatekeeper. Hard word and its meaning. Lashes. Beat severely with a whip or rod. The king sent for him and he came in. The fisherman asked the king to give the gatekeeper 100 lashes as per their agreement. The king came to know that the gatekeeper was not honest. He at once dismissed him from his services and ordered his men to give him all 200 lashes. The king told the fisherman that he would give him a good reward for his cleverness and wisdom. Then the fisherman told the king that he wanted to give his daughter away in marriage, but he was poor. The king promises him to get his daughter married if he chooses a bridegroom. Glossary. Set off. To begin a journey. Whip. A long thin piece of rope or leather. Lash. A hit with a whip. Let us see the grammar. Let us rearrange the words and make a good paragraph. Went to king's palace with a gift, the fisherman. Did not have enough money for his daughter's marriage, the fisherman. Stopped the gatekeeper, him. 200 lashes, the fisherman asked the Raja to give him. Promised to get the Raja the fisherman's daughter married. One condition, the gatekeeper allowed the fisherman that he gets half the price. At the strange request of the fisherman, the Raja was surprised and knew about the bad gatekeeper. From the service, Raja gave to the gatekeeper and dismissed him 200 lashes. Now rearranging the given words, let us make a good paragraph. The fisherman did not have enough money for his daughter's marriage, so the fisherman went to the king's palace with a gift, but the gatekeeper stopped him. However, the fisherman allowed the gatekeeper on condition that he would get half the price. Then the fisherman asked the Raja to give him 200 lashes. The Raja was surprised at the strange request of the fisherman and knew about the bad gatekeeper. Finally, the Raja gave 200 lashes to the gatekeeper and dismissed him from his service. After that, the Raja promised to get the fisherman's daughter married. Words which give the same or nearly the same meaning as other words are called synonyms. Let us replace the underlined words with other words that have the same meanings. The king felt ashamed to have a bad servant in his court. He dismissed the servant from the service as he was a cheat. But he praised the fisherman for his wisdom. Finally, the fisherman was successful to find a worthy young man for his daughter. He married off his daughter with the help of the king. Ashamed, humiliated, dismissed, removed, cheat, deceiver, praised, applauded, wisdom, knowledge, successful, victorious. Let us fill in the blanks with words opposite in meaning for those underlined. The king liked the fisherman, but disliked the gatekeeper. The bad servant was punished, and the fisherman was rewarded. Thus, the wise fisherman taught a lesson to the foolish gatekeeper with his wisdom. Here, dislike is the opposite of liked. Punished is the opposite for rewarded. Foolish is the opposite for wise. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make new words. Let us see few words. When we add suffix to them, they form new words. Sweet, sweetness. Truth, truthful. Require, requirement. High, highness. Move, movement. Kind, kindness. Clever, cleverness. Faith, faithful. Thought, thoughtful. Doubt, doubtful. Calm, calmness. Use, useful. Pay, payment. Must is used to express necessity, obligation, or certainly. Present continuous tense. It refers to an action in progress. That means it gives an idea that the action is not completed yet, but is still going on. This is called present continuous tense. Complete the following sentences using present continuous form. The old man is silent. He is thinking on what advice he has to give to the soldier. Here, he is thinking is the present continuous form of think. He has not done his homework. He is doing it now. Is doing is the present continuous form of do. My shirt is dirty. I am washing it. Am washing is the present continuous form of wash. You must carry your umbrella. It is raining heavily. Is raining is the present continuous form of rain. Don't disturb me. She is studying very seriously. Is studying is the present continuous form of study. WH question words. WH words are where, whom, which, when, how and who. They are used to ask questions. Now, let us see and learn how to write a letter. Letter has 6 main components: station and date, salutation, body of the letter, closing, signature, address on the envelope. Here in the given letter, we can find all the 6 components. Let us read the letter and recognize the 6 main components. Tallada, 29th November 2011. This is the station and date. Dear Raju. It is the salutation part of the letter. Now, let us see the body of the letter. I am fine here and hope the same with you. I have been to my uncle's place in Hyderabad during Dasara holidays. In Hyderabad, I visited Ramoji Film City, Nehru Zoological Park, Charminar and Salarjung Museum. I liked all the places very much. It was a thrilling experience for me. Make a trip to Hyderabad in the summer vacation. There are so many tourist places in Hyderabad that are worth visiting. Yours lovingly. This is the closing. Kamalesh. This is the signature. Address on the envelope. To Rajesh, house number 10-51, KSP Road, Palavancha, pin code 507115.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.